This looks much better, so that's great. There's a few things that are still in here that I talked about in the first recording I made for you. So I know with the highlighting issue, maybe some of the things didn't come through. I'm not sure what happened there, or maybe when you went to send me the new version, everything that you thought you were sending me didn't come through. I don't know if you changed things and the new document doesn't have your changes for some reason. I'm not sure about that. So I've marked them again, and I'm going to record about them again, hoping that this time it'll come through. I asked you last time to take out the word praise and look at the word encouragement instead. And if you review the modules, you'll find that information in there. In the last recording, I asked you to go back into the modules and look at the conscious discipline pieces again. And I still think you should do that because you're still having some things here, like saying an infant has behavior issues. And you said, in your opinion, they don't have behavior issues. Well, that's good, but in teaching, we don't rely on our own opinions. We rely on good research and evidence for how to deal with children in the best way. So I'm glad your opinion is a match, but sometimes our opinions will not match what we're being told about what's the correct thing for children. So I would like you to really look at this again. And I'm not trying to be difficult with you, but these are really important pieces. And most of the candidates have to review these a couple of times to really get it, because it's new information for most of us. We were not raised this way, so we're not used to thinking this way. And so the new ideas take time, which is fine. Instead of positive reinforcement, again, I would say using encouragement is what we're doing. And again, I would like you to really look at those conscious discipline videos again about that. And you still have in here what I asked you to look at last time too, about encouraging acting out and attention and all of that. So when children are having a hard time, which is what we can say instead of saying they have behavior issues. Some time to highlight this while I talk to you, since the highlighter doesn't work in your Microsoft Word when I send it. So all of this here needs to be replaced with a better answer about why toddlers are acting in certain ways. And the idea that you're acting out to get attention is not correct, and that we would ignore you when you're doing that, and wait till you calm yourself down. These are all the opposite of what conscious discipline wants us to do. So I, again, would like you to go back in and just take your time and look at that again. And think about these answers and make those changes, because when you have a visitor come for your portfolio and this is in there, this would cause you to have not as good a score on it too, and we don't want that for you. But mainly I want you to know the information because it's really important. So let me know if you have questions about anything. I'm hoping this recording will help, and that I've highlighted in the recording as I've gone, like there's another word, here's a word, there's a situation that we want to change these based on, we don't want to say that children are trying to get out of something they don't want to do, that kind of thing. So if you can look that over again and we get all of this corrected. I think this was in your first document. So I'm wondering if maybe you're thinking that you're sending me a new document and it's not it's not coming across. So you might, if that's the case, just try to get me the right document where you've made these changes. Okay, bye.